My name is Tanya Townsend and I'm the Senior Brand and Sponsorship Activation Manager. Music is such a passion point with our customers. We try and make every part of the journey as memorable as possible. We use our 3Plus app to reward our customers with that's pre-sale tickets, after-show parties, pre-show parties, upgrades. For us, it's about enhancing a customer's journey. We never want to get in the way of their night and why they're really there, and that is to enjoy the music and connect with their friends. Live music connects people like nothing else. Three is a brand built on connection, so it's a natural fit for us. Being part of cultural moments, whether that be sold-out shows or festivals, and knowing that we gave our customers access to these shows before anybody else is so important to us. Our sponsorships also let us go beyond just mobile services and allow us to reward our customers with experiences that really matter to them. By Three investing in venues and festivals, we're investing in the future of Irish music. When it came to City Stages, I really wanted to ensure that we were more than just a name above the door and that we gave back to artists, particularly grassroots artists. It's really a programme that takes artists from the street and brings them onto the stages of the biggest venues in Ireland. For a lot of these artists, they would have never performed on stages before, but we support them. We bring them mentorships with artists. We bring them into studios so they perfect their performance. The programme to date has seen great support by actual artists reaching out and offering us support slots for our City Stage artists. Earlier last year, Gavin James reached out and we went on tour with him and offered City Stage artists to support him in Paris and in Amsterdam. City Stages shows us that if we tap into a cultural moment and address a need, we can actually do something really special in the industry. Our partnership with Live Nation is the foundation for everything that we do here. We have a long-term partnership with them for our Three Arena, Three Olympia and Electric Picnic. For us, it's more than just naming rights. It's about real value for fans, artists and customers. Music is in Three's DNA and we are committed to continuing what we've started. From giving customers unforgettable experiences to helping Irish talent break through, we genuinely feel we're making an impact and we're excited to see what's ahead.